guys, Tina here, the Critical Virgo. I have my Ipsy bag. Just came in. I have not looked online to see what I received, but I did see that there was like a little preview for what kind of design the bag has, and it's like a canvas. It's pretty cool. It's got like some black and white women. Let's see. The theme is create. And it has a card that looks like that. And it says, turn yourself into and your world into a work of art. Redecorate your space, yada, yada, yada. I'll look at that later. All right, so we got some mascara. It's called Lash Alert from Ico. I have never used an Ico product before, so this should be interesting. It comes in a little, like a tube. And, all right. Looks a little dry. So I don't have any mascara on right now. And I'm just curious how this is gonna look. Okay, so I'm really having to work with this one like a lot. It's okay, it's not the best. This is my eyelash, obviously without anything on, and with, I had to really work with it a lot. It's not horrible, it's not my favorite. So I'll use it, I guess, when I travel. That would be good to just kind of put in my carry-on. Let's see what else we got. All right, I got a blending sponge. It's like the Beauty Blender. I don't have any makeup on today. Let me just get this one. All right. I ran some water on it. All right, I ran some water on it because the other ones, they actually expanded when they were like really tiny, and this one didn't really expand at all. So I'm not too happy about that. It actually looks a lot bigger in this video, but just for reference, that's my thumb. And just as another point of reference, let me see, I have a dirty blender here. That I have to wash, but this is like a more standard size blender, and I got this one from Pure, and this is the one that I got from my Ipsy bag. So this would probably be good for like little detailed contouring things or just like touch-ups, but as far as using it like all over my face to put foundation on, yeah, not really sure where I'm gonna go with that. So we got Steve Laurent. What is this? Oh, lip oil. Well, isn't that fancy? I don't know if they mean like lip gloss. It smells like coconuts. And okay. Yeah, it smells like coconut. Tastes like nothing. And it's thick and shiny like a lip gloss. Not bad. Not bad. What is this? These are like markers? I'm not really sure. Ipsy Create. Okay. Oh, okay. They gave me markers. All right. So they gave me a pink and a green marker on the back of this card that I should have read. It says, let's see, need a starting point? Get creative with this month's coloring book inspired glam bag. We've even included 2 markers, but feel free to use as many colors as you'd like. So I'm guessing we can color the canvas on this, which is pretty cool. All right, Ipsy, interesting. Things are getting a little interesting here. I don't know if I'll do it because I kind of like it the way it is. What else do we got? Twilla True. What are you? True Renewal Oil, fragrance free. Directions: dispense a few drops into the palm of hands. Use on dry areas to hydrate and nourish. I always love a good oil. It is in fact fragrance free. And it's really silky. We'll see how my skin does with this. I have very sensitive skin. I break out with like everything. So I'll give it a go for a full month. And you guys know all right about it. I actually typed up last month's bag and I will post it as I'm posting this. So in another month, I will post a review on all these items. I also got Lobotica Transforming Liquid Foil Mask. It's pearl brightening. It says after cleansing, put it on, leave on for 15-20 minutes. Dry, then peel off from bottom to top. Okay, so I don't think this is really gonna pick up on camera, but the way it looks in person, but it's like silver. My face looks so silver, and it's very iridescent, I guess is the best word. And I'm supposed to leave this on for like 20 minutes and then peel it off. So I'm going to get to editing this video and just uploading my review for last month's products. So if you want to find out what I think about this and my final thoughts and everything else, then go to my website in 30 days and I'll have a review up for you over there, like the one that I am posting right now. So I hope everybody enjoys the products they received. I can't wait to see all the videos. I saw a few posted up, and yeah, I'm really happy that I switched up my preferences. I am overall very satisfied with my Ipsy bag this month. The only thing that I'm like kind of disappointed with is this blender. Like, what am I gonna do with this, really? I don't need anything this small. And even, like, I have plenty of other blenders with amazing tips. Like, I don't need it for under eye coverage or anything, and I rarely use foundation anyway. So that one's kind of a miss, but everything else, oh, and actually the mascara, I am going to use it. I'll put it as my travel carry-on thing, but Everything else I love except for the mascara and the blender. So the majority is really good. I'm very happy. Again, can't wait to see what everybody else got. If you have any questions, put them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Bye.